Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to determine whether the graph of a function is symmetric about the x-axis, about the y-axis, or about the origin. For symmetry about the x-axis, when you fold the graph along the x-axis, the points will match up. So you can imagine there's a reflection about the x-axis. So for example, if we were to have the point 2, 4 on the graph, we will also have the point 2, -4 on the graph. If we have the point 5, 2 on the graph, we will also have the point 5, -2 on the graph. If we have the point -3, +1 on the graph, we will also have the point -3, -1 on the graph. So again, if we were to fold the graph along the x-axis, these points will coincide. Symmetry about the x-axis. Symmetry about the y-axis means when you have the graph, if you were to fold it along, if you fold the graph along the y-axis, the points will match up. So if you were to have a point that is 2, 4 on the graph, you will also have the point -2, 4 on the graph. If we have the point 4, 1 on the graph, we will also have the point -4, 1 on the graph. If we have the point 3, -5 on the graph, we will also have the point -3, -5 on the graph. So as you can see, if we were to fold the graph along the y-axis, these points will coincide. Now let's look at symmetric about the origin, total opposite. For any point x, y on the graph, the point -x, -y is also on the graph. So for example, if we were to have the point 3, 4 on the graph, +3, +4, we will also have the point -3, -4 on the graph. If we have the point 5, 1 on the graph, we will also have the point -5, -1 on the graph. If we were to have the point 2, 3 on the graph, we will also have the point -2, -3 on the graph. So total opposite, positive, positive, negative, negative. If we have the point -2, -3, +5 on the graph, we will also have the point that contains the opposite coordinates, +3, -5 on the graph. Okay. Another way to see this is when the graph is rotated 180 degrees about the origin, the resulting figure coincide. So for example, if I were to take this point and rotate it 180 degrees about the origin, the points will coincide. So if I were to take this point, 3, 5, and then rotate it 180 degrees, the points will match up. So this is how we determine whether the graph of a function is symmetric about the x-axis, symmetric about the y-axis, or symmetric about the origin.